How to perform the bird dog exercise. From a tabletop or quadruped position, you're going to find your neutral spine, and then you're simply going to reach one arm and kick one leg back at the same time. You want to use opposite arm, opposite leg while doing this exercise, so you're working all of your core muscles, specifically your obliques and your spinal stabilizers, as you maintain your good spinal positioning. You want to perform this exercise for the prescribed repetitions or until you feel like you're losing your form, or what we call form or fatigue failure.